Hello, my name is Roberto Rodriguez. In 2012, there was a storm and I had some roofers come and replace my roof. But through time, the roof started flopping because of wind issues. I had gotten the roof was supposed to be a 130-mile proof roof or something like that. First of all, I called XYZ. And they came over, inspected the roof. They said that there was damage to the roof, that it was an installation problem. And talking to XYZ, they said that they would contact Owens Corning on my behalf to try to get an inspector from Owens Corning to come by and take a look at the roof. I was lucky enough that I had gotten a platinum warranty with it. So XYZ stood behind me, and talking with Owens Corning, they decided to replace the whole roof. So Owens Corning sent all the materials plus the fees to pay for the roofers, and now I have a new complete roof. I learned something from this experience from 2012. I had those fly-by-night roofers coming after the storm trying to put my roof. What I should have done was look for a local reputable company like XYZ to come by and inspect my roof and help me out with it. I'm very happy with XYZ that they stood by me, and Owens Corning for honoring the warranty. So I am very pleased.